Hi, Kayla. Thank you for the heart me. Hi, Cindy. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Wendy. Wendy, you are first up tonight. You're the first one on the stack. How are you guys? Hi, Annie. Yay for night lives, girl. I'm tired. I'm struggling. I'm struggling so much that we have a cup of coffee. Because I'm tired. So we have about 50 orders that we're going to get through tonight, hopefully. Now let me close this door to not disturb Caleb as he's watching TV. I don't know if it'll be a short live. We're going to get all of the orders on the table packed. It's about 50 orders. So we're going to get going. I may not be as chatty tonight and just kind of, I'm sorry. But I'm very, very tired. Elizabeth, you're totally fine. All right, let's jump in. We got Wendy's order. Wendy did a photographer journal on a small A6 and she personalized and added snapshots to the front. And we are doing lined pages in that. And Wendy, you get a free pin with your order. So let me know what color. How are you guys though? Happy Valentine's Eve. I pick, like, do you want something colorful? Like, do you want a color? Or do you want something neutral? Hi, Chelsea. I'm always down for silver. I always like that. Can always do that. Can I do a stylus? Oh, sure. Do you want to do a color stylus or one of the neutral colors? The neutral colors, I have sage, which is really pretty, frost blue, and gray, and blush. All my beige ones have like little imperfections on them. Teresa, thank you for the rose. All right, there's our cute little camera journal for Wendy. Blush. Oh, I almost forgot your pin loop. And we got one pin loop going in. You know, I opened the pin loop drawer over here and I stared at it and I was like, why did I open you? But it was because I needed one for this order. Hi, Amy. Elizabeth, thank you for the hand heart. All right, there's our blush stylus one. It's a really pretty, kind of like a pale pink. You're so welcome, Wendy. Thank you for your patience on this one too, getting that personalization right for you. Some of the orders are easier than, or not easier, some of the personalizations are easier than others. There are some designs that are just a little busier and you kind of have to get, you know, creative with how to do it. You're not a pain. You are totally fine. I appreciate you. And I appreciate you responding so quickly too, because that just kind of helped the process move along. I don't know what order number this was. This was order 384. We are going up to 432 tonight. 432. Oh, I lied. I don't think this is 50 orders. It's probably closer to 40 because we have some that have already been done. All right, Wendy, you are good. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And that was Wendy's first order, guys. I hope you love it. Okay. The next one I'm going to put to the side because she asked for it to be done off live. So I'm going to set that one over there. It will go out tomorrow. All right, next order is for 408. Oh, my bad. We actually don't have that many orders tonight. We have a lot of journals. There are a lot of journals next to me. So my bad, guys. It's okay. It will not be a 4.5 hour night like last night. I'm super tired. Okay, we have order 408 for Marie Carmen. I think that's how you say her name. And we have a small Fox journal on our small A6, and we're doing lined pages in that. I did pre-stamp some pages for me tonight to kind of help my process along. Zuli, this is from, this sweatshirt's from another company. I don't know if this is their design or if they bought it off Etsy. If they bought it off Etsy, I'll buy it from that creator. But they may have made it. I'm not sure if it's their original one or not. Stacy ordered a dog journal tonight. Guys, tonight's stack is full of wolves and dog journals. Like that's like 80% of what the designs are. It's so funny. Hi, Vilma. Hi, Julie. If Marie Carmen H is here, let me know. She also grabbed a lot of pens. So tangerine, aqua, fuchsia, forest, and black. And then a stylus black. And then she got ink refills as well. So she got 5 of the gel pens. Again, these are colored ink. My favorite one that I use constantly right now is the burgundy one. But she got black, which is black ink. Hunter green, which is a dark green ink. Fuchsia, which is, I know you want this to be lavender, but the ink color is more fuchsia. Tangerine, which is a brighter orange ink. And then aqua, which is a really pretty blue ink. Carmen, let me know what pen you would like. You get a free pen with your order because you purchased a journal. So let me know if you have a color preference. This is your, do you have 2 in the cart? You're packing my second order tonight. This says it's your first one. Is this your order or is this somebody else's? And then a black stylus. Princess, thank you for the follow. So unfortunately, those are not offered as a free pen. Any of the ones that are in that group that has like 18 different glitter colors, those are not offered, and gel pens are not offered for free. So you can get stylus, mermaid, smooth glitter, mirror, and any of the chunky colors. Hi, Marcy. Good evening. Oh, Crystal, sorry. I saw Crystal and Carmen, and when you commented, I thought Carmen commented. I got your names mixed up. Do you want a stylus or do you want a glitter pen? And then she did a blue ink refill for the stylus pens. The ink refills come as a set of 2, so she's going to get 2 cartridges. You can get blue or black ink refills for all the stylus pens as well as the ballpoint pens. Glitter pen. You want to do a dark blue glitter? Are you good with that one? I think it's super pretty. Yes? Okay, I'll grab that one. So there is her fox. I know it's already in the bag. It probably has a glare on it. Sorry about that. And then pins are in a separate bag. And then I always do ink in a separate little baggie as well, just in case something happens during transit. You never know. You are so welcome. With this being your first order, I hope you absolutely love it. Love to hear your feedback. Let me know once you get it.